Okay, let's start. Yo traders, welcome back. Smart trading with Jung, and today I will bring you Ethereum USDT analysis, technical analysis based on liquidity concepts and maybe on area waves also at the end. So stick to this video to understand my liquidity concepts and my liquidity targets, next liquidity targets. So we are on the daily time frame, and I plotted these lines from my previous videos. I recommend to see my previous video to understand what's going on here. Basically, these are to repeat. These are liquidities zones, liquidity lines. This is a liquidity taken. I just plotted this to make you understand what is a liquidity still untapped and a tapped one. These are liquidity tapped one, and these are untapped. Okay, so there is a liquidity here also downside because this low was higher than this low, so it's still untapped, so liquidity is still lying there. Okay, liquidity is also lying in the at this low diagonal, so it is still lying there. So at the grand scheme of things, you know that liquidity to the downside, there is a lot of liquidity to the downside. Okay, on the gram scheme of thing, on the also on the weekly chart, on the weekly basis time frame, on the monthly. Okay, so let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, so we are at the price level of 1254. Okay, and yeah, on my previous video I drew these trend lines, which are retail trend lines, which means liquidity is lying here. Okay, and I said that the market will at that time of recording I was like here, and I was just telling to you guys that the market will come down to take that trend line liquidity and then swap that and go for a run. And exactly what happened, the thing I said. Okay, so let me delete. Hey, patience, guys. Okay. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame because that is the time frame from which I do the main analysis. So the local highs, we have the local highs which are this. Let me see the price levels. This is 1314.05. This is 1340. So the high is this one. It's still untapped. So liquidity is lying above. So liquidity is lying. Money is here. Okay. But we know that if the high is this, the low was this one, and the low got broken also. Okay, and this is the breaker candle, which means the smart money bought here. The price ran at this price level. It broke the structure, and now the price is mitigating basically those orders which were open at the breaker here. Okay, so what you guys can expect now? The market took the internal liquidity. Now what you guys can expect? The external liquidity to be taken. And at which price points? I will let you know now. Okay. Yeah, the market will come down. Okay. At which price points? My targets are always order blocks or equal lows. Lows because the market will come down. And my target, you know what is? Basically, in my previous videos, this was the high breaker where the smart money sold here, and now the market just pumped, break that structure, and now is retesting back, is coming down to this breaker. So my main target, let me delete this one. I just did this mess to make you understand, guys. I hope you really understand. So my main target is this region, which is the breaker one. So this is the region. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to refine basically my targets, because I like to refine. Uh, okay, so this was my targets, which is the breaker, and now let's go. Basically, let's check if there is a equal lows left to basically to refine a TP, the take profit. So there is a equal low which I'm seeing right, which is this one. So my price level is 1201 for the buy pitch chart. So the price will come down to test this liquidity level. Yeah, I like the setup. I mean, okay. So if this high, this was my first grand scenario. If this high is taken, I mean, you can expect, if you expect something like this, you can expect some more ups, but this is not the case. I mean, the main scenario is this one, as I explained you guys. Okay, so yeah, I also promised to make you Elliott waves analysis. So on Elliott waves, it say me this A, B, and C here. Okay, so this was a correction, but okay, this is the high A, B, and C. Oh, perfectly to the one. Wow, insane. Insane. So here we have also the divergence, the third wave and the fifth wave for the C leg up. I mean, okay. But as I said, the liquidity is still lying above, so I want to see something like liquidity taken, sell side liquidity, and also the buy side liquidity. As if you guys remember, this is also an FUG, so there is a imbalance. So the price, if reached, it will reject, or it will halfly reject, or it can fully complete the basically the imbalance, the fulfill the imbalance and then turn back. I mean, I hope I was clear, and yeah. I mean, it's so simple. So you guys can expect, first of all, this low to be taken. And then I will see the reaction, and then I will open some longs. Because I don't see the price to dump faster, basically. I don't see. Even even on the RSI, I mean, mm, you can see some bearish divergence here. But I don't see it on page. Okay, this was the ABC. I mean, yeah, basically it can be on a smaller degree. Let me show you. A, B, C, and this is basically you can, yeah, primary. Let's change the color to white. I mean, this whole ABC can be in A wave, uh, A wave, B wave, and then I mean the B wave, not too much down, but here, I mean C wave. Let me change the color to green. Yeah, so you guys can expect A, B, and then C up. This one, and then a dump, a serious dump then. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will end this video. I hope this video was helpful. So thanks for watching till now, and bye bye. Check for the next videos.